Insurance is the talk of the town for Florida, amongst a lot of other things, but insurance companies backing out of Florida, insurance becoming unaffordable for homeowners in Florida. I'm seeing the headlines, I'm experiencing it. This has been going on for a while, but it has gotten significantly worse since Hurricane Ian. I know how terrifying it is, and I know it is risky. So I have one recommendation for you and one tip for you. Well, they both can be tips, but so state of Florida, when you are buying a home, you will most likely see an as-is contract unless for some reason someone's using a standard residential contract. An as-is contract means that you have a due diligence period in that contract. Standard is 15 days, but this could also be negotiated otherwise. So my recommendation, when you are buying a home, have your inspection scheduled ASAP and also have it include a 4-point inspection and a wind mitigation. Once you have that, you can start shopping insurance. That way you can determine if that home is affordable for you and you are comfortable with the payments. If you are not, you can walk away from that home for absolutely any reason during that due diligence period and get your money back for escrow. One of the tips I have for you, if you are buying a home in a flood zone, you can assume a seller's flood policy if they have a flood policy. If they have a mortgage on the home, they have to have a flood policy. If they paid cash, they don't necessarily have to have one, but have your realtor check and see if they have a flood policy. You can assume the policy, and more times than not, it does make it cheaper for you than having a new policy written up. So, my recommendation and my tip, shop insurance ASAP during that due diligence period so you are protected if you decide to walk away. If you are buying a home in a flood zone, see if the seller has a flood policy and assume their policy. This is huge, and a lot of people do not realize that you can assume a flood insurance policy. So those are my my recommendation and my tip. Anywhere you're buying in Florida, Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Naples, Malachey, anywhere in Florida. I personally specialize in the Southwest Florida areas, and I would love to assist you if you have any further questions or if you're looking to purchase a home here. Give me a call or send me a text. My information will be below.